Ubak polling do unang ilam ko United Democratic Party wat Menteri hak Sarkar MDA2 ulaang. Badai tang hak election MLA beningkong jong ke jella Meghalaya la sakhi yak jingsen syar marway da ka All Party Hill Leaders Conference yak Sarkar House nam khat khandai spa nyuar lait nang ta la bot pat da ki Sarkar khlek khawlang. Ubak pol ulaang baka saiñ-hima hak jella kamdei bagi paidbah hak jella kyrshan party hynrei kyrshan yo briew shimet. Halor ka Voice of the People's Party ubak pol ulaang bagi don sawut ki MLA bat ka UDP pan ka don khat arngot ki MLA bat kam don kam ban yadu jor.
Well, Meghalaya has always had for a very long time and in fact for most of the tenures of various governments have been through coalition politics except for the first government of 1972, which was led by the APHLC completely. After that came the coalition era. So that is one trend about our state. Second is you will also appreciate the fact that Meghalaya's politics is slightly different from that of Mizoram because our politics has always been individual centric and not party centric. People vote on the basis of the individual capacity or charisma of candidates without really making a reference to their political affiliation. Third is you will see that in the case of the UDP, for instance, it has made sizable, tremendous improvement. In the past house, we had just 6 MLAs. Today we have 12. So I think you should also give credit for the fact that we doubled our figure in the last elections. So hopefully that trend should continue. Well, if you look at the figures, they have 4 MLAs and we have 12. So where is the comparison? But the fact that there are more and more parties being formed, yes, to that extent it does dilute the appeal of regional parties and our ability to consolidate.